Hey y'all, it's Granny the Swamp Witch here. Welcome to my Squirrel Talk. Today we're diving into the science behind magic. Now, I know some folks like to think that magic and science are opposites, that one belongs in a lab coat and the other in a ritual circle. But the truth? They've always been speaking the same language. Both are about understanding energy, pattern, and connection. So let's bridge that gap together and talk about why magic works, not just spiritually, but scientifically. When we strip away the poetry and symbolism, magic is really about working with energy, directing it, focusing it, harmonizing with it. And in science, that's the foundation of everything. Matter itself is just energy condensed into form. Every atom, every molecule, every living thing, even what seems solid, is vibrating at a specific frequency. Your body, this table, the candle flame, the air you breathe, it's all made of atoms in constant motion. That movement is vibration, and vibration is energy. So we're going to get a little nerdy for a second. An atom has a nucleus at its center, made up of protons, which are positively charged, and neutrons, which are neutral. Around that nucleus, electrons zip around in a cloud, each carrying a negative charge. These electrons don't sit still. They move at incredible speeds, and that movement creates an electromagnetic field, tiny pulses of energy. Now multiply that by billions and billions of atoms, and you begin to see. There's no such thing as true stillness. Even in solid crystal sitting on your altar, there's a living pulse of energy running through every atom, binding it together. Atoms are like social creatures. They bond with others to form molecules and minerals. What holds them together isn't glue, it's electrical charge. The push and pull between positive and negative particles creates currents, and those currents form vibrational signatures unique to each element and compound. That's the science behind what witches call correspondence. Every mineral, quartz, obsidian, amethyst, has a molecular structure that vibrates in its own distinct pattern. Those tiny electrical movements create measurable frequencies, and that frequency is what gives each crystal its energetic personality. Now let's talk about resonance. When two vibrating systems come into contact, say a tuning fork and a guitar string, one can cause the other to vibrate at the same frequency. That's resonance, and it's the same principle that allows crystals to affect the human body. Our bodies are electrical systems too. Your brain, heart, and nervous system all run on tiny bioelectric impulses. When you hold or wear a crystal, those stable atomic vibrations interact with your body's electromagnetic field. It's not fantasy, it's physics. The same principle is used in quartz watches, radio transmitters, and computer chips. Quartz crystal holds a steady frequency that keeps time or carries data. Magic simply applies that natural precision in an intuitive way. Your thoughts, emotions, and intentions also produce measurable energy. Brave waves, heart coherence, and electromagnetic emission are all real phenomena studied in neuroscience and biophysics. When we focus intent, what we call casting or manifesting, we're essentially aligning our internal frequency with the outcome we desire. The act of ritual, the symbol of herbs, the crystals, all of it works as a focusing tool to bring the mind, body, and environment into resonance. So, magic isn't about breaking natural law, it's about working with it. When a practitioner sets an intention and uses physical tools, they're creating a circuit of focused energy. Sound, chanting, light, your candles, scents, herbs or incense, and motion, your ritual gestures, all carry frequencies. Together, they form a vibrational pattern that influences the energetic field around the practitioner, and that field interacts with the larger environment. Whether you call it energy manipulation, sympathetic resonance, or vibrational alignment, it's still the same process. The energy you emit affects the energy you encounter. So when someone says magic isn't real, I smile a little because everything, every spark, every atom, every thought is energy in motion. Magic isn't superstition, it's conscious participation in the energetic web that connects all things. Science gives us the equations, magic gives us the experience. Together, they show us what we've always known in our bones, that the universe is alive, responsive, and waiting for us to remember how to listen. Now go out there, make your own current flow. I love you guys all, and remember, this is why I say we aren't witches, we're quantum mechanics.